Ever stared at those mesmerizing charts, the lines dancing like secrets to wealth, and wondered if you could unlock their mysteries without spending a dime? You've probably stumbled upon TradingView, a platform plastered across the screens of seasoned traders and curious beginners alike. And the big question, the one that likely brought you here, is TradingView really free? Well, let's peel back the layers and get straight to the heart of it. Yes, TradingView offers a robust free plan, and for many, it's a fantastic starting point, even a viable long-term solution. You gain access to a wealth of real-time data for a vast array of assets, from stocks and forex to cryptocurrencies and commodities. Think of it as having a powerful charting toolkit right at your fingertips, completely gratis. You can customize these charts with a plethora of technical indicators, those mathematical formulas that help predict future price movements. Moving averages, RSI, MACD, the gang's all here in the free version. You can draw trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and other analytical tools to your heart's content, dissecting price action like a seasoned detective. But here's where things get interesting. While the free plan is generous, TradingView, like any sustainable platform, has premium tiers. These paid subscriptions unlock a range of advanced features designed for more active or demanding traders. Imagine the free plan as a comfortable sedan. It gets you where you need to go reliably. The paid plans, on the other hand, are like upgrading to a sports car or a powerful SUV, offering enhanced performance and capabilities. So, what exactly do you get when you venture beyond the free realm? One significant upgrade is the ability to have more indicators on your chart simultaneously. Free users are typically limited to a few, which can be restrictive when you're employing complex trading strategies that rely on multiple confirmations. Paid plans bump up this limit considerably, allowing for a more comprehensive technical analysis setup. Another key difference lies in the number of saved chart layouts. Free users have a cap, which can become inconvenient if you trade multiple assets or employ different analytical approaches for each. Upgrading provides more flexibility to save and quickly switch between your customized chart setups. Furthermore, premium tiers often offer more advanced alerting features. While the free plan allows for basic price alerts, paid subscriptions unlock more sophisticated conditions and delivery methods, ensuring you don't miss critical trading opportunities even when you're away from your screen. Think of it as having a more vigilant and customizable notification system. For those who thrive on backtesting and automating their strategies, the higher tier plans provide access to more powerful PineScript editors and backtesting capabilities. PineScript is TradingView's proprietary programming language, allowing you to create custom indicators and trading bots. The free version has limitations on its complexity and execution. Finally, you might experience fewer or no advertisements on the paid plans, leading to a cleaner and more focused trading environment. While the ads on the free plan are generally unobtrusive, removing them can contribute to a smoother workflow. So, circling back to our initial question, is TradingView really free? Absolutely. The free plan offers a wealth of valuable tools and data that can empower your trading journey, especially when you're starting out or have relatively simple analytical needs. It's a fantastic way to learn the ropes, explore different markets, and develop your trading strategies without any financial commitment. However, if you find yourself bumping against the limitations, needing more indicators, saved layouts, advanced alerts, or backtesting power, then the paid plans offer compelling upgrades that can significantly enhance your trading experience. Ultimately, the best plan depends on your individual trading style, frequency, and sophistication. Start with the free version, explore its capabilities, and as your needs evolve, you can always consider upgrading to unlock the full potential of TradingView. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.